97th constitutional amendment has given a different color to all of us. In 2011-12, when this constitutional amendment was made, as a result of that, every citizen got a right. What is that right? Right to form a cooperative society. If we are having a fundamental right, then obviously for breach of fundamental right, anybody can go to the court of law, namely the High Court and the Supreme Court under Article 226 and 32 respectively. Now, if we are having that right, then whether we have considered the biggest hurdle from that angle. What is the biggest hurdle? Biggest hurdle is the approach of the regulatory authority. So far as the housing societies are concerned, so far as other societies are concerned, registrar is having a power to regulate the affairs of the entire housing sector. Whether their mentality has changed, whether their approach has changed, have they understood the effect of 97th constitutional amendment? These are the questions which I would like to raise on this occasion. Why this is relevant? Even today, take a case of a Maharashtra. The Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act is having those provisions which are giving ample and uncontrolled power to the registrar. I am sure all of us are aware about those different provisions by virtue of which the registrar is having such a role in the entire administration of a cooperative society, by virtue of which he can take a decision which goes to the extent of liquidation, amalgamation, administration, change of administrator, etc., and all other powers they are having. Now the question is, if the amendment in the constitution was intending to have a self-control, to have an autonomy, to have some kind of a liberal approach, then whether the consequential amendments in the respective state laws was expected or not. According to me, even today in India, consequential amendments by the respective states have not been made. What is the effect of that? Effect is, even today we are having a right, but that right remains on the paper, namely the constitution. The autonomous affair, the autonomy which is required to be given to the society, do you have that actually? No. Even today we are guided by the registrar. We are guided by the honorable minister in charge of that sector, that particular portfolio. And therefore now the question comes whether all states in the country, whether they should come in the line and sing a tune for which this 97th amendment was made. Obviously, if 97th amendment is taken to the logical end, then automatically the powers of the registrars are likely to be reduced drastically. But nobody is considering this in a proper perspective. Why? Because ultimately those persons who are on power, those persons who are having a regulatory power, they are interested in continuing the same state of affair. Therefore, my appeal to all participants of this 5th National Conference of Resident Welfare Association, let us make a simple representation to the respective state authorities, requesting them to amend the respective state laws, state cooperative laws, and bring it in tune with the 97th constitutional amendment. As I said, we are having a right to form a cooperative society. Along with that, there is a separate chapter which has been introduced in the Constitution of India 1950, which is dealing with the affairs of the cooperative society. So all consequential amendments are required to be made in the state law. All consequential amendments are required to be made in the rules. Take a case of Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, the act needs a further amendment, no doubt, we have done that. But those amendments are not sufficient. Then, based on that rules, the amendment in the rules, bylaws, all will have to be brought in tune with the amendment which has been made in the Constitution. I thought it fit to raise this issue again because, as I said, this is a national conference and therefore we will have to carry some message while going back to our respective places. I do not know from which part of the country you have come, whichever may be the part, but ultimately the Constitution is applicable to all of us, and as a result of that, the consequential status which is required to be given to all of us is absent even today. From looking from that angle, now it's a time when the National Conference should pass a resolution and come forward to take this task little ahead. I am sure you are also aware that this is a difficult task. The secretary of the cooperative department, he is having virtually such a power that by using one signature, he can put so many societies into liquidation. The registrars, they are treating that they are the demigod and they are virtually controlling this entire cooperative affair. We are aware about their whims and fancies. They are the persons who are responsible for generating a maximum litigation under the Cooperative Society Act. If they do not like my face, they will pass an order which is against me. If they like your face, they may pass order in your favor. We are aware about so many whims and fancies of those authorities. And now after the constitution, after introduction of a new chapter, in my respectful submission, time has come when we will have to realize what rights we have. We have been given a right under the constitution to form a society. Why should I go to registrar? Why should I request him for extension of territorial jurisdiction? On each and every occasion, why should I seek guidance from the registrar? Once the constitutional right is given, which is a fundamental right, along with that a separate chapter has been introduced with which is having an intention of putting autonomous affairs of the administration of the society, then in that eventuality, why should I go to the same officer who is responsible for the today's state of affair? I think this is that thought, this is that question which everybody will have to take home from this 5th national conference, so that whichever may be your country, whichever may be your state, whichever may be your area, you will have to raise those questions at an appropriate stage and an appropriate level.